Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel, Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video, I'm planning for the week beginning September 26th to the 2nd of October using this kit from LynnerDesigns called Seance. I did pair it with the matching foil from LynnerDesigns in like a pink sparkly colour, and then I got some olive foil from PlanWithAdS, and I merged them together to make this beautiful spread, and I am not regretting it at all. And of course I had to color block it because these colors were perfect for color blocking. Some of the patterns were a bit hard, but other than that I think it worked out well. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of the base to some music, and I'll be back for the day by day. Now that the base is done, let's get into the day by day. First, the sidebar. I marked being on the Crafty Planner Code PR team and announcing it this week with a sticker sheet from the Crafty Planner Code. It felt like it made sense. I then marked it being week 32 of my maternity leave with the scale from Bella Plan Ella and a week 32 script from PMD stickers. So on Monday, I first started off by marking being tired AF with a bed icon from the doodle sheet and a tired AF script from my PlanWithAdS custom multi sheet. All of the olive scripts are from there. So that's what, if I said from PlanWithAdS and you haven't seen that script before, it's because it's from my custom multi. Then marked getting breakfast with this Beniva's creation sticker and a script from PlanWithAdS. I marked cuddling my son with a Make Plan sticker and a script from PlanWithAdS. And then I marked some playtime with a PlanWithAdS icon and a playtime script from Make Plans. In the second half of the day, I marked that Malik was in a good mood and super happy with the sticker from PMD stickers. I marked watching more Grey's Anatomy with a TV sticker from the doodle sheet and Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from Make Plans and a Plan With Me binge script from PlanWithAdS. And then I marked that my husband was gaming with a Make Plans boy character and a J Gaming custom script from PlanWithAdS. On to Tuesday. So at the top of Tuesday, I marked being tired AF once again with a sleep mask icon from the doodle sheet and a tired AF script from Carly Plans. I noted making some breakfast with this teacup or this like hot drink icon from the foil bundle. I noted a Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kids and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Then I noted watching more Grey's Anatomy with this Netflix TV from the doodle sheet and a Grey's Anatomy script from Carly Plans. More playtime with the icon from PlanWithAdS and a script from Make Plans. Then I noted that Malik was spending some time with his dad with this paper shire sticker and a with dad custom script from LynnerDesigns. And then finally I marked that my husband was gaming with the sticker from Make Plans and also the J Gaming script from Make Plans. On to Wednesday, I marked that it was my friend's birthday with this cake icon from the foil bundle and a happy birthday script from PlanWithAdS. I then marked that my husband had the day off with this boy character from Make Plans and a day off script also from PlanWithAdS. I noted doing his hair with this sticker from Paper Dolls Co. And if you notice, if you wonder why it's like a white grey couple, it's because I accidentally put the wrong colour like choice in, and I bought about 4 of these sheets because I used them a lot, and now I just have to use them, so I'm going to. I then marked that Malik was spending some time with his dad with this Beneath His Creation sticker and a Daddy Son Time script from Planner Hannah. I marked, this was all early in the morning. I then marked eating some breakfast with a takeaway cup sticker from the doodle sheet. I'm about to Plan With Me binge with a YouTube play button from the kit and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. I then used this honeybee shop like bear watching TV to know that we installed a fire stick in the TV downstairs because I bought another one. I then used a TV icon from the foil bundle to note watching more Grey's Anatomy, scripts from Carly Plans. Then I marked some more playtime with our Planner Hannah icon and a playtime script from Make Plans. And then finally I noted cuddling with my son with this sticker from Beneath His Creation and a with mom script from Planner Hannah, just to use it. On to Thursday, I used this pillow icon from the kit and the Sleepy Mama custom script from Planner Hannah to note being too tired. I might eating some breakfast with this bowl icon from the doodle sheet. I don't know what was in the bowl, but it looked like cereal, so I thought it could be used to mark breakfast. I might Plan With Me binge with a planner icon from the kit or doodle sheet, one of them, and a Plan With Me binge script for Make Plans. Then I marked Grey's Anatomy with a Netflix and icon from the foil bundle and a script from Carly Plans. I then marked Cuddling My Son with this PMD stickers character and a Malik Cuddles script from Adobe LynnerDesigns. I then marked some playtime with an icon from Planner Hannah and a script from Make Plans. I marked calling our not the estate agents with this phone icon from the doodle sheet, and then finally I noted that Malik was really energetic with this footprint sticker from PMD stickers. On to Friday, I'm having some mummy son time with this paper shy sticker of like a baby like hugging. Well, it's like got 3 babies in it, but it was just to say that he was all over me. And a mummy son time script from Sweet Ava's paper. I then marked breakfast with a teacup icon from Planner Hannah. I then marked a Plan With Me binge with the sticker sheet icon from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. Next, I marked Grey's Anatomy with a laptop icon from the foil bundle and a script from Carly Plans. Then marked getting some takeout with this cutlery icon from the foil bundle and a takeout script from Planner Hannah. I marked some cuddles with this Make Plans gal and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Adobe LynnerDesigns. Marked more playtime with a Planner Hannah icon and a script from Make Plans. And then finally I marked that Malik was being super cute. This cute sticker from A Want With Love and a with Malik script from Planner Hannah. On to Saturday, we have another extender here. It's a 4-day one. At the top of Saturday, I marked Sleeping In with a pillow icon from the foil bundle and a script from Adobe LynnerDesigns. I then marked that Malik was with his dad with this paper shire sticker and a script also from Adobe LynnerDesigns. Then I marked making some breakfast with this breakfast sticker from Beneath His Creation, and then I marked watching more Grey's Anatomy with a TV/computer icon from the doodle sheet and a script from Carly Plans. I then marked Cuddling In My Son with this PMD sticker girl and a Malik Cuddles custom script from Adobe LynnerDesigns. Then I marked announcing being on the PR team with this bow icon from the foil bundle. I marked watching the movie on Netflix with this Netflix end sticker from the doodle sheet and a movie night script from the foil bundle. I marked getting some Pinkberry with this ice cream sticker from Strawberry Lime Designs. Next, I marked doing laundry with this cat, which came from LynnerDesigns, was from a freebie, and a laundry script from the foil bundle. I marked having some family cuddles with this Teddy Plans Co sticker and a family time script from Make Plans. I marked more playtime with another icon from Planner Hannah and a script from Make Plans. Then I noted a Plan With Me binge with a computer icon from the doodle sheet and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. And then I ordered some takeout, so I used a burger icon from the foil bundle and ordered takeout script from Make Plans. And then finally I noted that my husband was gaming with this Make Plans duo, which I love to say. On to Sunday, another extended day. It's a 3-day one. And that it'd been tired again with a bed icon from the foil bundle, which I love that icon, and a tired AF script from Kylie Plans. Then marked it being a lazy day with these slipper icons from the doodle sheet and a lazy day script from Kylie Plans. I marked making some breakfast. I might have made waffles, who knows, with this waffle sticker from SPC. I marked watching more Grey's Anatomy with this Disney Plus sticker from the Sticky Perks and a Grey's Anatomy script from Kylie Plans. Marked some more cuddles with another Make Plans gal and a Malik Cuddles custom script from LynnerDesigns. Then I marked Plan With Me binge with a computer icon from Paper Candy Art and a Plan With Me binge script from Make Plans. I marked doing some laundry, some more laundry. So yeah, I did laundry the day before, but this is the second load with an icon from the foil bundle and a script from, I think it's from Simply MS. I then used this baby grow sticker from Paper Show to note that Malik changed into a bigger size. And then finally I noted which is Station 19. I'm guessing I finished Grey's Anatomy, who knows, with another Disney Plus sticker from the Sticky Perks. That was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below what you thought of the spread. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye!